fun. Look at that shit. Well, then we went to the flip. Look at this one over here. Why he doesn't look at him doing a cartwheel? The last one. Why is he doing a cartwheel for? That's what I don't understand. Yeah. That's my man right there. Like. You go for the bread. You go for the bread. The second one. Ooh. Look at the third one. The first one missed it. The second one missed it. Look at the third one. Ooh. Look at the fourth one. I don't know why they do it. This is the kicker. Watch the way they all like do cartwheels at the same time. Right here. Right here. Like. Right here. This one. Look at that right here. That shit is crazy.